A major company is getting ready to dump a large amount of these altcoins, and is Bitcoin getting ready to breach 40K before the end of the year? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. We love when our Altcoin Buzz Alpha members send us feedback, and we appreciate Crypto Mark for these kind words. Do you want to be in the best position for the upcoming bull run? Introducing the Altcoin Buzz Alpha and Decubate special offer. Decubate Bronze Plus tier members can now claim a full refund on your first month of Altcoin Buzz Alpha membership. And here's what you'll get: access to the hottest IDOs, dedicated IDO reviews and profit-taking strategies, access to Altcoin Buzz's $10,000 portfolio, gems, watchlist, passive income strategies, IDOs, airdrops, buy and sell signals, and many more. And guess what? If you don't like Altcoin Buzz Alpha, we'll refund you the full subscription fee. For eligibility, submit your Bronze Plus member email ID to the Alpha channel in Discord and join Altcoin Buzz Alpha. Now, if you want to get a Decubate tier, you need to buy Decubate from PancakeSwap and stake your tokens on their platform. You can find all these links down below, so don't miss out. The case for a continued rally in Bitcoin to $40,000 and higher by the end of the year has strengthened, with centralized exchanges recently witnessing a sizable exodus of coins. Data from Glassnode shows just over 37,000 Bitcoin, worth $1.4 billion, has been withdrawn from exchanges since November 17th in a sign of investors taking direct custody of their coins. The outflow likely represents a bias for a long-term holding strategy, although some of it could have been stemmed from Binance's guilty plea. The bias for holding means strong demand and weakening sell-side pressure in the market amid euphoria from an expected launch of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States. Exchange outflows have historically marked local price lows, supporting expectations of medium-term price rises. Bitcoin traded above the $38,800 mark earlier this morning, leading to gains in the broader crypto market, with some major tokens jumping as much as 5% in the past 24 hours. The overall market cap rose to $1.5 trillion, a level last seen in May of 2022, adding $400 billion since the start of October. Bitcoin momentum started to rise late Tuesday as Federal Reserve Governor Chris Waller said recent data suggested a slowdown in the economy and continued moderation in inflation showed current policies were in the right spot. Waller also said that if inflation were to continue to decline, there is a good argument to be made for rate cuts within a few months. Interest rate decisions tend to move markets, and higher interest rates usually mean risk assets, such as stocks and cryptocurrencies, take a hit, as investors could take profits and invest in bonds. MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, boosted its holding in November, buying 16,130 Bitcoin, worth around $608 million at current prices. The Michael Saylor-founded software developer bought the Bitcoin for around $593.3 million in cash at an average price of around $36,785 apiece. They now hold 174,530 Bitcoin, bought at an average price of around $30,000, $252 per coin. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see how he's playing this Bitcoin breakout. If there's one major complaint about DeFi, it's fragmented liquidity. Instead of lots of liquidity used to get good pricing fast, liquidity is spread out over many apps, platforms, and even chains, and that's hurting people who use DEXs to trade and swap. Our partners at RocketX have a solution to this. Right now, the best solution to liquidity all over the place, spread out over different platforms, is a DEX aggregator. They aggregate or gather liquidity and pricing from many apps to get you the best pricing for your desired swap. Using them, you don't have to search a zillion different DEXs on Ethereum or EVM to find the best rate to swap your coins. And RocketX does all this and more. First, it handles not only EVM chains, but also it works on 113 networks so far. It also works on some traditionally difficult chains to swap in and out of, like Bitcoin and Cosmos. You can track your trades easily with their Explorer RVF scan, making it easier to track for taxes or other purposes. And you can also do one-click swaps. RocketX calls itself a hybrid aggregator. That's because it has the best of what centralized and decentralized swaps offer. The DEX swapping advantage is maintaining full custody and censorship-resistant transactions. But RocketX offers the great features of centralized swapping as well, namely greater speed, better pricing, and deeper liquidity. And you can do all of this without getting a centralized exchange account. The way this works is that RocketX has accounts at many of the major exchanges, so when you're seeking a swap of USDC on ETH to buy BNB, the quotes you get from the aggregator process include big centralized exchanges. If they have the best price, then you swap using RocketX's account on that exchange. No new exchange account or KYC or any nonsense for you. Just swap the coins you want at the best price available. RocketX is also hosting a campaign with $124,000 up for grabs. They wrote on X saying, "Get ready to soar with RocketX Exchange. Join us in the Buy Votes listing on Bybit Buy Voting program and shape our journey together. Your votes count and could land you fantastic rewards totaling $124,000, including 3 iPhone Pro 15s. Here's how. Sign up for a new Bybit account using our referral link. Deposit $100 by December 6, 2023, and prepare to cast your vote. On December 7th, vote for RVF and stand a chance to win your share of the rewards. Try RocketX for a swap today and see how their user experience and price compares to DEXs you already use. DOT, the native cryptocurrency of the Polkadot ecosystem, is making strong moves, gaining more than 6.25% in the past 24 hours and trading at $5.50 levels. The DOT price is undergoing a trend reversal from its lows of $3.50, experiencing a noticeable surge of over 55%. The Web3 Foundation associated with the Polkadot network has joined the trend of crypto development teams allocating treasury assets to real-world assets. In a recent announcement on November 29th, the Web3 Foundation also revealed plans for a pilot investment of $1 million in US Treasury bills tokenized on-chain through Anemoy. Anemoy operates on Centrifuge Chain, a Polkadot parachain focusing on real-world assets. The investment is directed towards Anemoy's upcoming liquidity short treasury fund, aiming to provide DAOs and other investors with exposure to short-term US Treasury bill yields. The move underscores the Web3 Foundation's dedication to supporting the growth of real-world assets on Polkadot's infrastructure. Additionally, Polkadot is working on a system to replace the parachain auctions. Wallets linked to defunct crypto trading firm FTX and Alameda Research moved $10.8 million to accounts in Binance, Coinbase, and Wintermute using 8 cryptocurrencies. Blockchain analysis firm Spot On Chain found $10.8 million worth of cryptocurrencies being moved from FTX and Alameda Research accounts to various crypto exchanges. The firm estimated that the defunct entities transferred $551 million since October 24th using 59 different cryptocurrency tokens. The latest transfer of $10.8 million was spread across 8 tokens: $2.58 million in STEPN, $2.41 million in Uniswap, $2.25 million in Synapse, $1.64 million in Clayton, $1.1 million in Phantom, $644,000 in Shiba Inu, and small amounts of Arbitrum and Optimism. On October 24th, the FTX and Alameda Research wallets transferred $10 million to a single wallet address, which was later redistributed to Binance and Coinbase accounts. The fund's movement dates back to March 2023, when FTX and Alameda Research began the process of recovering assets for investors, and at the time, 3 wallets associated with FTX and Alameda Research moved $145 million worth of stablecoins to various platforms, including Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. While the troubled cryptocurrency exchange had recovered over $5 billion in cash and liquid cryptocurrencies at the time, its total liabilities exceeded $8.8 billion, and it may be getting ready to sell all these altcoins. Moons, the crypto token of Reddit's r/cryptocurrency community, is up by double digits on the day after Reddit officially renounced the Moons token contract. The social media platform burned its remaining 98,000 Moons tokens as part of the process, which also imposes a hard cap on the supply of approximately 83 million Moons. The r/cryptocurrency subreddit mod team hailed the move as a significant milestone for the community in a statement, noting that it now has assurance that there will be no further changes to Moon's contract in the future. With no requirement for a new token to be deployed, Moons can easily retain existing exchange listings. The price of Moons currently stands at just under 16 cents, up 11% on the day per CoinGecko data. Over the last month, the token has surged over 150%, following community moderators' announcement that they were preparing a plan forward for the token. The r/cryptocurrency mod team announced yesterday that it would work on restoring features including memberships, governance, and tipping, as well as potentially restarting distribution of Moons. In October, the social media platform announced that it would be winding down its crypto-powered rewards program, which saw users earn points for posting in certain communities. The points could be redeemed for Reddit perks, including badges, emotes, and gifts. Reddit cited the high cost of resourcing and the regulatory environment in its decision to sunset its community points program. That's it for Outcome Buzz's update. I'm Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.